Gulo. Say hi, Daddy. Up mo yung paa mo, baka matamaan. Ang ganda ng view. Ay, Daddy, nagbabasketball. Wala yan, wala yan. Slipper, ano mo ah?
Mini miss you.
Mini, miss you. Mini, miss you. Your feet, ah? You're not going to lalag. Mommy is gonna hold you. Galing ni Brie. Baka sakaling pumayat ako ng ganito. Mini-miss you. Mag-mini-miss you ka. Mini-miss you. My name? Okay, we can recite here. My name? What? See? Aran. I live? In?
Tala.
Tinawanan, Rizal. Huwag ka maglo. A is for? B is for? C is for? D is for? E is for? Element. U. W. X. Y. And Z. Say hi, Lolo. Don't kick in your feet. Ay, lakalaglag na. Naku. Malalaglag ka. Ask your daddy if the time is it. Look, may what? It's going to be slowly. Hello, madlang people, mabut. Mini. Can you see it?
Hello, madlang people, mabuhay. Mini miss you. Mini miss you.
No. My hair is too messy na. Oh, really?
Yan.
I can't hold you. Ouch, my eyes. Until it's going down, going down, going down. Are you tired? side na, Brianna. No! Patay tayo. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? I see a morning. You want to go down na? Why? You don't want to go down? Oh no, I'm going to be tired. Because you're too heavy. Don't! You messy my hair. Please don't mess my hair. You want to go down na? You want to go down na? No, no, I'm going to be tired. Oh, ang gulo mo kasi. Okay.
Mama, my turn.
Okay.